Welcome to the SG60 Yoga Wellness Series. I'm Ranjani, a certified yoga teacher, pregnancy yoga trainer, meditation coach, author, and founder of AathmikYoga. In this session, we focus on managing hypertension, one of the most common health challenges in Singapore and worldwide. High blood pressure affects many, often silently, and if left undiagnosed, it can lead to serious health issues like heart diseases, kidney damage, and even stroke. In this session, we explore how yoga can be a complementary therapy to manage hypertension along with your medicines and treatments. This video is designed to support your heart and regulate your blood pressure naturally through breath, movement, and reflection. The segment 1 of this video is understanding hypertension. Hypertension is when the blood is pushed through your arteries with more force than usual. Think of it like pumping. Your heart pumps blood and the arteries are your pipes in different sizes. When the pipes become thick or hard, or when the blood, the fluid that is passing among the pipes becomes too thick, then the pressure increases. So what are the common reasons for hypertension? The first one is stress. Stress raises cortisols and activates the fight or flight mechanism in our body. Acute stress is fine, but chronic stress is a culprit. And the second reason is aging of blood vessels. Aging can make our arteries stiff, harder for the blood to pass through. Age is just a number for people who regularly exercise and eat healthy. And the third reason is cholesterol buildup. The plaque formation can narrow up the arteries and increases the blood pressure. Fourth reason is obesity. It causes extra workload to all of our internal organs and thus increasing the blood pressure. Fifth reason is genetics. If you have family history, then it's high time you take control of your health by choosing proper exercise and food routine. Yoga can address all these issues gently and safely. So let's begin. In this 60-day series, we are not just going to explore the asanas. We are going to explore the soul of Singapore through movement, breath, and mindfulness. If you're new here, I would invite you to check out our previous episode, 60 locations, 60 yoga flows. Trust me, you will relish each one of those. Today, we are at the UNESCO's World Heritage, Singapore's Botanic Garden, a sanctuary of nature and history right in the city's heart. Let's go to the segment 2 of this video, warm-ups. So let's start with a sun salutation on the edge of your mat. Stand with your feet close to each other. So inhale, stretch your arms up, a slight back bend, and slowly exhale, forward fold, and try to hold your knees. Do not bend forward deeper than this. And now slowly bend your knees. Bring your hands to the sides of your feet and take your right leg back. Try to look up. And now slowly take the other leg back. You will be in the tabletop pose. From here, try to rest your forehead on the mat. Now slowly push yourself into the snake pose. Try to look up. And now come back to the tabletop pose. Tuck your toes, slightly push yourself up in downward facing dog. Take your right leg back to the center of your hands and look up. And now slowly push yourself into the forward fold while your hands are on the knees. Take your hands high, a small back bend, and come back to the initial position. You can do 2 to 4 rounds of this sun salutation to warm up your body. Let's move on to the next segment, the asana sequence. The first pose is cat and cow. So come to a tabletop position on your mat. Your wrists should be in line with your shoulders and your hip should be in line with your knees. Give some space between your hands and knees. Keep your feet flat and your spine straight. This is the neutral position. From here, try to take one long deep inhalation as you arch your spine and look up. And now exhale, round your spine and look in between your hands. Move your spine like a sine wave, inhaling and exhaling. Trying to take deep inhalations and deep exhalations as you move your body up and down. Keep inhaling and exhaling deeply. And try to do 10 rounds of the cat and cow pose. Once done, you can sit in a relaxed position and rotate your wrist. Now we will do a back bend. So a gentle back bend. Lie down on your belly on your mat. Keep your feet flat and feet closer to each other. Keep your hands closer to the chest. You should not keep your fingers like this. Your fingers should be evenly spread out to hold the body weight. Press it firmly and now slowly lift up your head, shoulders away from the body. Roll your shoulders and try to look up. Stay here. Keep breathing. Expanding your chest, inhaling a lot of oxygen, and exhale, fall forward. We'll repeat it for 2-3 times. And now we'll move on to the next pose, which is the Paschimottanasana or the seated forward fold. As you know, standing forward fold is contraindicated for people with hypertension. So we will be doing the seated forward fold. So keep with your legs straight in front of you. Try to engage your feet, keep them straight. And now slowly try to inhale, raise your hands high. Exhale, fall forward. Keep doing this dynamically. Inhale up. Exhale forward. We'll repeat it for 2-3 rounds just to warm up the spine before you hold the pose. Once you complete 5 rounds, try to hold or reach for your big toes. It is perfectly okay if you're not able to reach for your big toes. You can keep your hands on your calves or on your knees with your back straight. So try to keep your hands in a comfortable position and relax here for 10 to 15 seconds. Keep breathing, normal breathing. Do not hold your breath, and it is advisable for people with hypertension to not hold their breaths as it will increase or trigger the hypertension. Slowly relax and take a couple of deep breaths. So now we'll go on to the next pose, which is called the bridge pose. So lie down on your back now. Press your feet firmly on the mat. Keep your feet 1 foot apart from each other. Press your palms again firmly on the floor. And now as you inhale, try to push your hips high. The bridge pose or Setu Bandhasana. And exhale, bring it down. We'll do the dynamic variation first. So inhale, try to push it high. Exhale and push it down. 3 more rounds. And finally, try to hold it there for 10 to 15 seconds. Keep breathing normally. And you can gradually increase the duration and slowly relax. We will do the next pose, which is the child's pose or Balasana. So sit on your heels. Keep your spine straight comfortably. Now keep your hands to the sides of your body and slowly fall forward. This is a gentle inversion. So you can also keep a block, yoga block, or you can keep a pillow in front of you so that your forehead is resting on it for support. So this is a gentle relaxing posture. Stay here for 30 seconds. And you can slowly relax. Once you finish all the exercises, try to lie down in Shavasana for 5 minutes. And you can also listen to gentle Yoga Nidra. Once done, you can slowly roll to any one side and come up on the mat. And the segment 4 of this series is breathing techniques or the pranayama. Breathing practices helps a lot in controlling our nervous system. Whenever we are nervous, stressed or anxious, we can see that if we take a couple of deep breaths, we tend to relax. And the same concept works in the pranayama techniques of yoga. So we will be learning 3 breathing practices today. You can sit comfortably. Keep your left hand in Chin Mudra. I'll be talking about mudras later. So keep your thumb touching the index finger on the left hand. In the right hand, your thumb will be closing the right nostril. Ring finger will be closing the left nostril. We will be alternatively closing and opening the nostrils. So starting with the left side. So close the right nostril completely. Exhale completely through the left side. Now inhale through the left. Close it. Open the right side and exhale through the right. So now inhale through the right. Close and exhale to the left. So it gets continued like this, exhaling first and inhaling second on the same side. So continue. You can also keep your eyes closed so you can focus internally on your breathing. This is the Anulom-Vinulom breathing or the alternative nostril breathing. A similar kind of breathing with breath holding is practiced in yoga, which is called the Nadi Shuddhi. But holding the breath is not advisable for people with hypertension, so they can stick to Anulom-Vinulom. And the next breathing is Chandrabedi Pranayam, the left nostril breathing. In yoga, we believe that the right side of the body is controlled by the sun and the left side of the body is controlled by the moon. So when we take deep breathings in the right side, we tend to get energetic and we get to be active. And whenever we do the left nostril breathing, we tend to be relaxed and calm ourselves, the sun and the moon energy. So it is advised to practice the left nostril breathing before we go to bed, so we sleep better and we calm our nervous system in a better way. Keep your left hand again in Chin Mudra and close your right nostril completely. Try to inhale deeply and exhale deeply through your left side. Do this for 9 rounds. Remember, every time you take deep inhalations, you need to expand your abdomen, expand your chest and expand your shoulder blades. And as you exhale, you need to release everything. Like a balloon that holds air, it gets expanded in all possible directions when we fill air in the balloon. Same way, whenever we inhale, we need to expand 360 degree, and there's one breathing in yoga called 360 degree breathing, which I'll be teaching in another video. So try to do 9 rounds of this and relax. And the third practice is Brahmari breathing or the bumblebee breathing. You will be keeping your eyes closed. Alternatively, you can also close your ears by keeping your index fingers into your ears. Close your eyes. Take deep inhalation. And as you exhale, you will be exhaling like a bee. So you can see here. We will be chanting the letter M or the letter Im in Tamil. So we will be chanting Im. So we will be doing 2 more rounds. Inhale deeply. Once done, feel the vibrations in your head. Keep your eyes closed for a while. And this completes our breathing practices. The segment 5 of this practice is Mudra therapy. So according to this Mudra therapy, Dhyana Mudra is practiced to regulate blood pressure. Either it can be high blood pressure or low blood pressure. So to perform Dhyana Mudra, you can sit in any comfortable position on a chair or on your sofa or on the mat. You should join the tips of your thumb, index finger and the middle finger together and extend the ring and the little fingers outside. Keep it straight on your lap. So you can sit comfortably for 5 minutes, focusing on your breath and relax. This helps in regulating your blood pressure. I'll also attach a detailed video on Dhyana Mudra with a description of this video. And segment 6 of this series is the mindfulness movement. So every 1 hour you can pause for a few seconds. Either you can close your eyes or you can just think of what am I holding to today. Observe your body, look for any tension in your body and try to release it as you exhale. So this small habit prevents stress builds up before it gets into chronic stage. You can also practice Yoga Nidra, a guided body scan meditation every day once in a while to relax the tension that's stored in your body. I'll be attaching a link to the Yoga Nidra in the description box of this video. The segment 7 is a journaling practice. So take a notebook and pen, or you can also use your mobile phones. So you can answer for this question like, what tension did I notice in my body today? And what thoughts keep looping in your mind while you were practicing? What is the one small thing that you are willing to let go of today? It can be a simple bad habit, It can be an emotion that you're holding on to somebody else, like a hate towards an old friend or an anger towards your spouse or anything. What you can let go of. Try to write it down. No pressure, you don't have to be perfect. Just journal your thoughts. This helps in releasing the tension in your mind. The segment 8 of the series is a simple mindfulness or meditation practice. You can either sit comfortably or lie down comfortably on your mat and sit in silence for 2 minutes for a simple guided meditation. As you exhale, gently close your eyes. Bring your entire awareness on your breath. Trying to focus on your inhalations and on your exhalations. People with hypertension tend to naturally hold tightness in their body. So use this time to release the stiffness in your muscles and tightness in your mind. Let go of what no longer is needed for you. Trying to inhale and exhale deeply. Each breath releases what you no longer need in your body. Feel your body soften and heart relax. If you are in a serene place like this Botanic Gardens, just listen to the birds chirping, random people talking in distance, the gentle breeze of air. Get lost in the present moment for a while, sitting in deep silence for 2 minutes, which your body and mind has been craving for. Segment 9, conclusion of this video. Hypertension is not just a physical issue. It is a call from your body to listen, slow down and relax. With regular practice of asanas, pranayamas, the breathing practices, mindfulness meditation, you can begin to release the root cause of your hypertension and not just the symptoms of your high blood pressure. If you find this session helpful, please like, share and subscribe to SG Yoga Wellness Series by AathmikYoga. Got yoga related questions? Join my WhatsApp group with 500 plus members for support or follow my channel for updates if you prefer privacy. Links are in the description. Together, let's journey through the 60 days of mindful yoga across this beautiful island. One breath, one pose, one moment at a time. With special thanks to Ministry of Culture, Community and Youth, the Singapore Government Partnership Office SGPO and the NParks and Botanic Gardens for supporting and facilitating this initiative. Nandri.